This is what you see on the screen. This is a crimping tools that you will need to crimp your cable. This is the patch panel that you use to patch the network cable. The port that you see on the wall, they use this tools to do that cable. This is a test after you have done your cable. This is what you use to set your cable. This is the cable stripper. This is one used to strip the cables so that you can enter your cable here in the RJ. This is the RJ45 connector. This is the RJ45 connector. Yeah, so, and this is a Cat5 cable. This is how it look, the network cable look. This is, you're not supposed to be taking like this, and then you're gonna do a color coding, and then you're gonna be inserting in the RJ45, and then then you can crimp it, but you must make sure that you follow the color code. There are 2 color code. Thank you for watching the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.